If you have a project site that is on a slant, such as a pitched roof or a work site that you're unable to use the roof, window, balcony, scaffold on a flat surface, you have a couple ways of attaching your column to the top. What you would use is 2 anchor bolt attachments. You would first drill down the anchor bolts, 1 on each side, and then what you would do is loop the chain through and cinch with the screw, tightening on the other side. At that point, you would put the chute down and connect the chain to the chain holder. Another way for you to secure the column and double reinforce it is to connect a second chain and anchor bolt to a second point by drilling down into the roof, window, or balcony from the top or the side.